Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is an English for grade 4. We are learning unit number 12 and its title is Good Study Habits. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, this is lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You will click it, download it, or you can modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 7A, we will learn about needs and feelings, that how we can share our needs and our feelings on page number 97. Before in English for grade 4, my dear students, we have already learned about in listening and speaking that how we can show our regrets in the model, how we can share that if we have done any mistake, so how we can share that. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. So my dear teachers and my dear students, so our today's students learning outcomes are demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express needs and feelings. So today we are going to learn about that. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Tawbah, verse number 40, do not grieve, indeed Allah is with us. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us that we should not grieve if we are in the time of difficulty. So we must keep hope on the blessings of Almighty Allah, that because Allah Almighty said that He never leaves us in the time of difficulty, in the time of hardship. So we must keep our firm belief that if we are facing hardship, so no matter, Allah is also with us and Allah is always with us. Okay, keep remember this thing, my dear students. So we are going to refresh our previous knowledge, what we have learned about it. So you will give me your response. How do you express your needs? Yes, when you need something, so how do you express? Next, good. Next question is there. How do you share your feelings? So how do you share when you feel something? So how you share? Excellent job. Good. So now let's see what are needs and how we can share needs, my dear students. When we need something, so we express our needs in a polite way. Okay, when we need something, what we do? We express our need in a polite way. Need is something that must be done. There is a reason behind every need. Yes, my dear students, what is need? There is reason behind every need. When we need something, what we do? Yes, we express it. If we will not express, if we will not say about our needs, so how anyone will get that what we need? If we need something, definitely we share with our parents. If we are in classroom, so we need many things from our class fellows, from our teachers. So how we express? So we should express our needs in a polite way. Okay, because politeness is a good habit and we can win someone's heart by polite words, by using polite words. Okay, keep remember that whenever you need something, even you are requesting, even you are sharing anything, so you have to use polite words. Okay, let's see how we can that. There are a few examples. I'm hungry and I need something to eat. Look how, what he is saying? He is saying I'm hungry. So if he will not tell that he is hungry, so how we can get that he is hungry? Definitely if you need something, so we have to share, we have to express our need. He is expressing his need. What is his need? Yeah, he want to eat something. But why he want to eat something? Because he is hungry. Already I gave you in definition there, my dear students, there is a reason behind every need. So what is reason? Reason is because he is hungry. Okay, good. Next example is there. I am bored. I need an exciting activity to do. Look, how she is sitting. She is feeling bored. And what she wants, what she needs an exciting activity, that he should be active. while doing and after doing this activity, she should be active. So she needs such type of activity. And why she needs? Because she is bored. Okay. So let's see. You are not feeling bored now? Good. You are good students. Look him. I'm sleepy and I need to sleep. Look, he is sleepy. He want to sleep. He needs slumber. So he is sleepy. So look. So you are not sleepy in class now. So be active. Okay. What is feeling? Let's see. Feeling is an emotional state or reaction. We also express our feelings in different situations. Yes, my dear students, feeling is a mental and it's related to our thought. It's also a mental feeling. Okay, sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel angry. Also, it's also human nature. Sometimes we can feel angry, and sometimes we are feeling cold, we are feeling hot. So these many feelings are there that we feel, and we also, so that we are feeling, we have to express. We have to share with our friends. We can share these feelings with our friends, with our teachers, with our parents. So how we can share? So let's see. I will give you a way how you should share your feelings. See him. What is his feeling? Yes, I'm feeling coldness. So what he shared? Yes, he is feeling coldness. Look his image. Okay, you are not feeling coldness now? Good. So next is there, oh, I'm not feeling well. What happened? Look, he has hand on his belly. So, I'm not feeling well. I need someone to take care of me. So what does he need? He needs someone to take care of me. He need any other person. Wow, look his demand. He's so genius. He is not feeling well. And what is need? He want anyone that one should take care of him. So definitely when we are not feeling well, my dear students, so we need someone that anyone should take care of us. So everyone's feelings like that. Okay. Next, see what she is feeling. I feel a little sad today. She feels little sad today, but she didn't tell us reason. Okay, she didn't tell why she's sad. We should not be sad. Okay, if anyone is sad in your class, if anyone is sad, your classmate, your friend, so you should make them happy. Okay, so she is also, in this way we can express our feelings, my dear students. So here is an exciting activity for you, my dear students. So let's perform. Yes, my dear teachers, ask students to perform a role play and express their needs and feelings by following the given model on book page number 97 in question number 7. Okay, encourage whole class to express their needs and feelings confidently. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this activity is for you and this activity is given on book. You should give students to read out all that, and after that they should express their needs and feelings and enjoy and see what are the feelings and needs of your students. Okay, pause the video and enjoy this activity in your class. Excellent job, and I hope you have enjoyed, also students also, and my dear teachers, you also, because you got that what your students need and what are the feelings of your students. Good job. So what's our homework for today? Write 10 sentences to express needs and feelings in your notebooks. So this is written work. You will write 10 sentences in your notebook. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this is a worksheet, and this worksheet link is given below. You should click it and provide it to your students in printed form. So what we have covered today? Today we got that the way how we can express our needs with our friends, our family. We also learned to express our feelings according to the situations, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, demonstrate conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to express needs and feelings. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, I hope and I wish that today's lecture you have enjoyed, because you told and you shared your feelings. Okay, tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that, stay blessed. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.